Hey guys, we're going to do a video on my buddy Shay's truck. It's a truck we did a conversion on a few years ago. It's a half-ton Dodge, and we put a Cummins in it. And what we're going to show on the video today is we're going to get rid of the old H1C. It's a non-intercooled, obviously, by the pipe. And we're going to put a HX35 on it, replace the manifold because it's got some leaks, and do a new charge pipe for it. We are probably going to intercool it, but that'll be a later date. So anyways, also Shay has a YouTube channel if you guys are into wood. What's the channel again, Shay? Dreamwood Crafts. I'll link it down below. Give him a follow and a share on some of his stuff. If you're into woodcraft, he does all kinds of cool stuff. Anyways, we're going to put this on time lapse so you guys don't have to listen to us gibber and jabber. And we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to show, if you guys get exhaust manifold bolts that are rounded off or they're seized real bad, you can see I just cut the heads of those bolts off. Oh, of course the battery died. It was dead. So I just cut the heads of the bolts off.
Bastard here.
With a dead battery on my flashlight, apparently. With the torch. You can use a grinder to cut them off. You can use all kinds of stuff, so whatever you have at your disposal. But you can see I just cut the heads off. It's way better if you got them seized up ones. I prefer just to cut them off versus breaking the bolts. If you break the bolts in here, it's a lot more work to fix it. Where if you just cut the heads off, not near as much work to fix it. So anyways, we'll go back to the time lapse. Just wanted to do that tidbit. All right, boys, we were lucky, and well, we were lucky and not lucky, whether you guys caught it in the video or not. We got 2 of the 3 bolts that were broken out, and one decided that it wanted to break off. So we're gonna have to drill and tap that hole. But is what it is when you're playing this game. So you guys have probably seen a bunch of that in the video. I don't know if you've seen all of it or not because it's being on time lapse. But so number 5 upper bolt came out, a number 6 lower bolt, but the number 6 upper bolt broke off. So now we're gonna go, we're gonna drill and tap that. And maybe when we're going through the time lapse part of it, I'll enter in some text and just to let you know how we're doing it or what we're doing. So anyways, there's the a broken bolt there in number 6, which sucks, but it is what it is when you, like I said, when you play this game. All right, guys, we got the time lapse all finished up there, and you can see we got an HX35 in it. We haven't finished the intake because I think we're gonna change some stuff around in here. Maybe relocate the battery to the other side so it does dual batteries on the other side, or I'm not sure exactly what we're doing yet. But got the charge pipe. We still got to pull the pipe back off and clean it, and I got just a little bit more welding cleanup to do on it. But we got the manifold all changed, and we're just gonna fire her up and see what happens. Nope, I got everything off. Oh, except for your screwdrivers here, but it won't go into nothing. So I guess we're gonna go for a bang around, but it's getting pretty late, so I'm gonna cut the video off there, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys.